Hello, and welcome back. Today, we have some exciting news to share with you all regarding Google's revolutionary AI Dreamix. Google has recently unveiled its groundbreaking AI technology called Dreamix. This innovative creation is poised to revolutionize the industry in numerous ways. So, without further ado, let's dive into the incredible world of Dreamix. Let's move towards the Dreamix represents a significant milestone in the field of artificial intelligence, showcasing Google's continuous commitment to pushing the boundaries of innovation. It combines cutting-edge machine learning techniques, advanced neural networks, and massive computational power to deliver remarkable results. Dreamix is designed to excel in several domains, including image recognition, natural language processing, robotics, and more. Its versatility and adaptability make it a potential game-changer in various industries. Unleashing the power of Dreamix. Let's take a closer look at some key features that make Dreamix stand out from the crowd. Advanced image recognition. Dreamix possesses state-of-the-art image recognition capabilities. Whether it's identifying objects, recognizing faces, or analyzing complex scenes, Dreamix can handle it with astonishing accuracy and speed. Natural language processing. Dreamix's natural language processing capabilities are truly remarkable. It can understand and respond to human language with incredible precision. From sentiment analysis to language translation, Dreamix opens up new possibilities for communication. Robotics integration. Dreamix seamlessly integrates with robotics systems, making it an ideal companion for automation and intelligent machines. Its ability to understand the environment, make informed decisions, and perform complex tasks is truly impressive. Personal assistant. With Dreamix's advanced personal assistant capabilities, it becomes your trusted companion in everyday tasks. From scheduling appointments, organizing your day, to providing personalized recommendations, Dreamix streamlines your life. Ethical considerations. As with any powerful technology, ethical considerations are vital. Google has taken a proactive approach to ensure that Dreamix adheres to strict ethical standards, including privacy protection and bias mitigation. Future prospects. The future prospects for Dreamix are incredibly exciting. Its potential applications span across industries, including healthcare, finance, education, and entertainment. The possibilities are limited only by our imagination. Conclusion. Ladies and gentlemen, Google's new AI, Dreamix, is truly taking the industry by storm. Its exceptional capabilities, combined with Google's commitment to ethical AI, make it a formidable force in the field of artificial intelligence. We can only imagine the incredible advancements that will unfold as Dreamix continues to evolve. Thank you for joining us today to learn more about Google's groundbreaking AI, Dreamix. Stay tuned for future updates and be prepared to witness the remarkable impact Dreamix will have on our world. Remember, the future is now. Thank you. If you have any questions or suggestions for future topics, please let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.